beluga. Look, now when it will swim.
Bye bye. Say hi.
Look. He's so cute. So cute. Look, he's eating fish. Look, he's eating fish. Look, he's eating fish. Look, he's eating fish. Look. One, two. Yeah, so cute. They're checking if she has more fish. That's a bubble wheel?
That's mom and dad.
White man. I can get ice.
They're giving the Vietnam now.
Mama, do you want to send the blue?
Yes, I do actually.
And the white one. Do you stick it?
Mama, please.
Wait. Look. There are three now.
Everyone, welcome to Wild Arctic. We do have our beluga whales here in this exhibit, and we have just been wrapping up a beluga encounter where some of our visitors had a reservation and were able to get in the pool and meet the belugas face to face. But now you will see them swimming around. We do have 2 males and 1 female.
You see the seal? Sea lion? That was it. They come back out.
Our largest male is a 20-year-old, and he's 2,000 pounds. Our smallest is our female. She's only about 1,350 pounds, and she's in her 30s. Our oldest beluga is in his 50s. But there's lots of viewing opportunity as you make your way through the wild Arctic, and you will have a chance to see the underwater swimming. As you move through this exhibit, there's an opportunity. As of course the belugas are diving down.
What?
They can hold their breath for up to 13 to 18 minutes. But most of the time it's 3 or 4 minutes and they come up for air.
Look at the way.
What is that?
Of course their white coloring is designed to camouflage them along the ice sheets and ice caps of the Arctic waters.
What is that?
And that will enable them to hide from their predators. That would be the killer whale and the elephant seal.
What is that?
You know why
The
they're
female
colored
will give birth
You could eat
to
that.
only 1 calf at a time, and that calf can weigh up to 100 pounds. And at birth, the calf is a
It
gray
can be
color.
camouflaged with the
It
ice.
could take the beluga up to 7 years to get to that white coloring as they do molt and shed their skin.
Can you move? Yeah, but I don't think elephants.
30% of their body weight is blubber, and that blubber, of course, is designed to insulate them in these cold Arctic waters.
Okay.
Here in San Diego, we do keep this exhibit refrigerated and filtered, and it is at 55 degrees, about 12 feet in depth.
Yeah, you're right.
So besides their unique white coloring, some of the features of the beluga whale is their lack of a dorsal fin. So unlike the killer whale, who you would see with that dorsal fin skimming through the waters, enable them to swim under the ice sheet of the Arctic waters. And the ridge is strong enough if they should need to break through some of the ice, they use that ridge